Welcome to our today's anatomy class. In our today's class, we'll be looking at the physiology of vision. Now, this simply means how we see. How do you really see? So for you to be able to see an object, light must fall on that object. So when light falls on an object, when light ray, if this is an object right here, when light ray falls on an object, when light rays falls on an object, the reflected ray of light will pass through the eye cornea. So the eye cornea will now refract, it will bend the light toward the pupil. The pupil is the opening in the center of the iris. So the iris regulates the amount of light passing through the pupil. So from the pupil, this light ray will now be further bent, it will be further refracted by the eye lens, by the lens of the eye. So the eye lens will now focus these light rays on what? On the retina. So in the retina, an inverted image of the object is formed. An inverted image is formed. This image is small in size. So first of all, light must fall on the object. When light falls on the object, the reflected ray of light will pass through the eye cornea. The eye cornea will bend the light toward the pupil. The light will now pass through the pupil to the eye lens. The eye lens will further bend the light or further refract the light. When the light is refracted, the light will now be focused by the eye lens on the retina. This light ray will now be converted to electrical signals in the retina. So in the retina, an inverted image is formed. Now, within the retina, we have what? Photoreceptors. We have photoreceptors in the retina. So when light ray is focused on the retina, these photoreceptors, which are rods and cones, will now generate what? Nerve impulses. So these nerve impulses will be carried by optic nerve, to the occipital lobe of the brain for interpretation. Light falls on an object. The reflected ray of light passes through the pupil. From the pupil, it is bent, and it passes through the reflected ray of light passes through the eye cornea. So the eye cornea, it is bent toward the pupil. It now passes through the pupil to the eye lens. The eye lens focuses it on the retina. In the retina, photoreceptors in the retina are stimulated, nerve impulses of vision are produced. The optic neuron, or what we call the optic nerve, carry this visual impulse to the occipital lobe of the brain for interpretation of vision. So this is a simple physiology of vision. It's important to know that these photoreceptors are carrying information to the brain these photoreceptors that generate visual impulses are the rods and the cones. The rods are responsible for what? For night vision, while the cones are responsible for colored vision. So the rods are sensitive to dim light, while the cones are sensitive to bright light. So it's important to take note of it. So in my next class, I'll be looking at the physiology of fashion, which is smell. I am Simon, your anatomy educator. I look forward to seeing my next class. Remember to subscribe and share.